Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Because our final exam is just around the corner, in this video I'll be talking about the format of our paper, and also later I'll be sharing some useful tips that you can apply while doing the exam. Right? Now, first of all, tentatively the exam will be conducted on the 5th of July 2021, which is a Monday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. This exam will be done on ELIP exam platform, which I'm sure you have been briefed on before. All right? Now, the exam consists of two sections. Section A is the MCQ, multiple choice questions, containing four texts altogether. Now, text 1 and text 2 are two short texts testing your comprehension skills. Text 3 and text 4 are closed texts testing your skills on adjective and subject-verb agreement. Now, section A carries 30 marks, which is directly converted into 30%. Now, for this section only, because you are dealing with four texts and you need to select your answers on ELIP exam platform, you will need to download the file containing all four texts first. Open this text in one window, and the other window is for you to select your answers. Now, you also have the option of downloading the text and print them. Whichever you feel is more convenient to you, it's up to you, right? Now, section B, on the other hand, is going to be a short paragraph. Now, this part tests your skills in writing a comparison paragraph, which, if you haven't watched it, has been explained thoroughly in my previous video. Now, click on this link right here or down in the description. Now, for this section, you do not need to write your answers in a Word document and upload it. You simply need to write your answers in the space provided. Section B carries 20%. Combine section A and section B, you will get 50% altogether. I hope that is very clear for you, right? Now, because the exam is conducted online, and also because you have been informed of the date of the exam, I highly suggest that you plan a spot or location for you to sit for the exam that has extremely good internet connection. Now, for obvious reasons, we do not want you to face issues while attempting to answer the questions, right? Now, text 1 and text 2 of section A test your comprehension skills. And therefore, to effectively tackle these questions, apply skimming and scanning skills on which the note had been shared on ELIP before. Now, do check them out if you have not, right? Now, a sample of a good comparison paragraph, on the other hand, has been shared on ELIP. Watch the video that I shared and analyze the sample, and everything should be okay with you after that. All right. Now, I guess that's it for now. If there are any further updates on this, I will surely and definitely inform you. Until then, enjoy the rest of the semester, and Assalamu alaikum.